Crispy but juicy cheese-filled chicken fillet, which you can easily make at home. You will need a boneless chicken breast, black pepper and paprika powder ½ teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, salt according to your taste, shredded mozzarella ½ cup, baby spinach as required, 2 eggs, breadcrumbs, thread, oil as required. Season the chicken fillet thoroughly with all the spices, cut a pocket and make sure to season from inside too. Open the pocket and make a layer of baby spinach according to your taste. Now cover the baby spinach with shredded mozzarella cheese. Grab the fillet tightly and tie it with thread so the ingredients won't fall out of it while cooking. Put 2 beaten eggs in a plate and breadcrumbs in separate plate. Dip the fillet in the beaten eggs. Cover both sides nicely. Next, cover the fillet with breadcrumbs from all the sides. In a frying pan, put a little bit of oil on low heat. It's time to fry the chicken fillet. Make sure that your breadcrumbs don't get burnt, so change the sides after 5 to 6 minutes so your chicken fillet can cook equally from all the sides without burning. Your cheese-filled chicken fillet should be ready in 10 to 12 minutes, although it depends on the size of your chicken, it might get ready sooner than 10 minutes if it's a small chicken. Your delicious, crispy but juicy cheese-filled chicken fillet is ready to serve. Garnish with freshly grinded coriander or parsley. You can also put our Yum Lounge special white sauce over it to double the flavor. Check out the recipe on our channel. Do try it out at home and let us know in the comment section below how it turned out. Enjoy.